If you're still in school and you feel broke, stuck, and tired of watching everyone else win, this video is for you. Because here's the truth. No one tells you. School teaches you how to pass exams, not how to make money. So while you're busy memorizing things you'll forget, someone your age is making $10,000 online. And the worst part? It's not because they're smarter than you. It's because they understand one thing you don't. Money is a skill. Now listen carefully. If you don't learn this skill early, you'll graduate, get a job, and spend the next 40 years trading time for money. That's the trap. And once you're in it, it's very hard to escape. So instead of aiming for millions, let's focus on something real. Your first $10,000. Because once you make it once, you can do it again and again and again. That's how wealth starts. So if I had to start from zero, still in school, no money, no connections, this is exactly what I would do, step by step. Step 1. Stop chasing stupid money. Here's the problem. Most students waste time on the wrong things. Crypto, day trading, get rich quick schemes. Let me be honest with you. These are distractions. They look exciting, but they require money, and you don't have any. Trying to trade with $50 is like trying to win a war with a spoon. It doesn't work. I've seen this happen so many times. A student makes $20 in crypto, gets excited, then loses everything the next day. Why? Because they're gambling, not building a skill. And remember this, gambling might make you money once. Skills make you money forever. So forget fast money. Focus on repeatable money. That brings us to step 2. Step 2. Pick one skill that prints money. There are thousands of ways to make money, but you only need one. Here are the best options right now. Video editing, thumbnail design, copywriting, social media management. That's it. Don't overcomplicate it. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not good at any of these. Good, you're not supposed to be. When I started, I was terrible. Everyone is. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine two students. One spends 6 months learning on YouTube. The other starts offering video editing services on day 1. Even if his edits are bad, he gets feedback, he improves, he earns. After 3 months, the second student is 10 times ahead. Lesson: you don't learn first, then earn. You learn while earning. So pick one skill, not 2, not 5, 1. Because focus is what separates winners from everyone else. Step 3. Get your first client fast. This is where most people get stuck. They overthink, they wait, they try to be perfect. That's why they stay broke. Listen, your first client doesn't care if you're perfect. They care if you can help them. So here's what you do. Go on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, find small creators or businesses, people who are trying but not growing, and send them this. Hey, I noticed your content. I think I can improve your videos and get you more views. I'll do the first one for free. Yes, free. I know, your ego won't like it, but your bank account will. Because free work equals experience. Experience equals proof. Proof equals money. Let me tell you something. A friend of mine started editing videos for free. For a small creator, his edits weren't amazing, but they were better. After 2 weeks, that creator paid him. After 2 months, he had 3 clients. That's how it starts. So don't wait. Don't think. Just act. Now, once you have one client, everything changes. That brings us to step 4. Step 4. Turn skill into $10,000. Now it's just a game of repetition. You improve your skill. You get better results. You charge more. Let's break it down. If you charge $100 per client, you need 100 clients to hit $10,000. But if you improve and charge $500, now you only need 20 clients. This is why skill matters. The better you get, the less you work, and the more you earn. And here's something most people don't understand. Businesses don't pay for effort. They pay for results. If you help someone make money, they will pay you again and again. So always ask yourself, how can I make this person more money? That's the game. Now at this stage, you'll notice something strange. You're still in school, but you're making more money than people with full-time jobs. And that's when things start to shift. But here's the danger. Step 5. Don't fall into the trap. When you start making money, you'll want to spend it. New phone, clothes, going out. Don't. This is where most people lose. Poor people spend to look rich. Rich people invest to become wealthy. If you make $1,000 and spend $1,000, you're still broke. But if you reinvest, into skills, tools, learning. That $1,000 becomes $10,000 and then $100,000. Money compounds, but only if you keep it. So always remember, money equals freedom. Skills equals income. Discipline equals wealth. Ignore this and you'll stay average. Follow it and you'll be ahead of 99% of people your age. Look, making your first $10,000 while still in school isn't about luck, it's about focus. Most people your age are distracted, scrolling, watching, waiting. You're different. That's why you're here. So start today. Pick one skill, get one client, make your first dollar, because that first dollar changes everything.